Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to Barbara Bakes. Today we're making breakfast muffins. They're perfect for Mother's Day, Easter, or just for yourself on a Saturday morning. And as a surprise, this is going to be a 2-for-1 recipe. That's right, you're going to get 2 different types of muffins from the one recipe. So sit back, enjoy, and we'll eat them at the end. There we go, 2 different types of muffins from one recipe. I hope you like them. Let's put them in the oven. Wow, how delicious do they look? They look delicious, smell incredible. And which one should I choose? Should I choose the blueberry or should I choose the chocolate chip? I think I've decided and I'm going for the chocolate chip. They're still warm. Oh, look at that. Moist. Not too sweet, very, very light. Perfect for breakfast. Oh, packed with blueberries. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did, and do give them a go. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your notifications on, and definitely leave a comment in the box. We're back, it's 2024, and I want to know what you want me to make. See you next time.